2025 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, blind spot monitor, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.